Danny, welcome to the Lifting Solutions Group podcast today. We're going to talk about RopeWatcher. But before, I would like to know who you are and what your role is within the company.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your invitation. My name is Danny van Deuzen. I'm Regional Director for Central. And in Central is also AMC as a company, one of the members. And they are in charge and they are the product owner of the RopeWatcher.
Okay. What is the RopeWatcher?
The RopeWatcher is a very nice new designed product. It's all about magnetic rope testing. Where you normally do a visual inspection of a rope, you only can see the outside of the rope, approximately 10%. So the other 90%, which is inside the rope, yeah, that's a big guess. And when we are using MRT technology, which is, let's say, also part of RopeWatcher, then we can look inside the steel wire rope. And by using that product, we can guarantee the user of the RopeWatch a safe use of the steel wire rope.
How does it work? Is it a permanent installation or mobile? Or
no, we have two systems: a mobile system, MRT, something which you can bring along in a suitcase, and you can install it. You can do a test once, twice, 3 times, and then you take it off and do it another time within half year, 1 year, depending on when you want to do it. The RopeWatcher is same technology, but it's for permanent installation. So when you have installations where the rope is used heavily, and you want to have an optimized, let's say, production uptime, where safety is an issue, you can install a RopeWatch.
Okay. And when can you use it? On what kind of certain cable or
it's
installation?
All kind of installation where a steel wire rope is being used. You can think about cranes, overhead cranes. You can think about warehouse systems with elevators where ropes are being used. Any kind of system where reliability, high uptime, safety is an issue.
You're mentioning uptime,
yep,
and of course safety,
yep,
as advantages for the customer.
Yep.
What else?
Well, I think that are the two most important advantages. When you are in a production company and you are depending in the production on a steel wire rope, then monitoring that steel wire rope and minimizing the production loss is evident. And it's not new, monitoring of all kind of, let's say, production equipment is being done already. Temperature of a bearing or vibration inside the production tool. Why not monitoring your steel wire rope? It's essential as all the other technical equipment. And of course, when you're talking about a crane, and you will have a load drop due to an unexpected steel wire rope damage, then safety is of course a very important issue. They are both very important.
Yeah, so it's 24/7 monitoring.
24/7, yes.
From a distance, or does the technical guy from the company, the customer does it? Or
it's all possible.
You
can do it locally. You can have it some kind of a monitoring tool inside your maintenance control room. But you can also do it from distance, where AMC is capable of monitoring your equipment. And you are already being warned in advance. So it's not, watch out, within 5 minutes something is going to break down. It's being built up like a thermometer,
With a graph.
With a graph. Or graphics is also possible.
Graphics, yeah.
Green, everything is great. Orange, we are now going into, let's say, a danger zone. And red, then we still have a couple of hours or days, depending on what kind of graphics you are using, to know that something's going to happen.
The RopeWatcher, is it already installed? Do you have an example of a customer?
Yeah, we have one of the early adapters, which is CNH, also used as the Iveco truck company in Italy. There it's already being used for a couple of years. And what happened there a few times is that a simple crane had a load drop, and of course the production failed, but also a lot of damage afterwards. And they installed 2 on a simple crane, and they extended the supply and the installation of RopeWatch. And as far as I know, we're now talking about the new factory in Spain, where they need or want installation of the RopeWatch. So that's, I think, a very good example about safety and production loss.
Great. And where's the RopeWatch available? Where can I?
Well, it's available through the LSG companies from ex-Inter. We have been training them a lot last few months, weeks, years, and or of course AMC.
Okay. Can people find online more information about the
Yeah,
RopeWatch?
we have, of course, you can find information on the ex-Inter webpage. We have a landing page, ropewatcher.io. And we can also have a lot of information from the AMC website.
From AMC and the local companies as well?
Yeah, a lot of companies, yes. So I think whenever you want or need some information, you can reach out to a lot of people within our group.
Okay. We're going to wrap this podcast up. Thank you very much. I got a final question for you.
Yeah.
Tell me in one sentence why people should take the RopeWatcher.
Well, there are 2 reasons, and I will repeat it again. Safety, you are aware when something will happen, so you can prevent accidents. And of course, already mentioned, you can prevent production loss. And those things are very important, why you should use RopeWatch.
All right. Thank you very much, Danny, for your information.
Thank you, Michel.